so good already, doesn't it?
Yes.
I also have some green peppers. Perfect. Some delicious, easy nachos. It's gonna be so good. I have some cheese here. It's not nachos, nacho cheese. Perfect. Black beans. Pour that in there. You can pour as little or as much as you want. Sometimes if I have extra, I use it for another recipe. Just pour all of that in there. All done. Perfect. I have some more peppers here. This makes it a little bit healthier. All the yummy veggies. Getting all the food groups in here. Perfect. Where are you guys watching from? I am in fabulous Las Vegas making this delicious nacho recipe for you guys. Some more ground beef. Perfect. Let's do another layer of chips. And just extra crunchy in the air fryer. Another layer of chips. Next, I have some delicious chili beans. These smell so good, you guys. I'm actually gonna save some extra for me to eat. So we're only gonna put a little bit. And these are not as healthy as the black beans, so I'm not gonna put that much because I actually wanna eat these. These look so delicious. Last but not least, we're gonna top this off with cheese. You guys already know, my C loves the cheese. The C stands for cheese. People don't know that. I'm just kidding. I love cheese. And of course, some little taco seasoning. Pour that on top. Yummy. Make sure we get every single inch, just a little pinch of this taco seasoning. Every time I do this, I'm afraid that the whole thing comes off and it just everywhere. All right, we're gonna flatten this out a little bit. And my favorite, black olives. I love olives. We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle that on top. Yummy. Oh, got a little bit more. There we go. Hiding. All right. Now you're gonna put this in the air fryer and you have a delicious dinner or a snack. All done. So excited. All right, guys, our quick and easy nachos are ready and I'm so excited to try them. It's my first time using the air fryer for nachos. And here I have some hot pico de gallo. And if you want to make this fresh, go ahead and do it. But this is a quick and easy recipe, so we're trying to make this as fast and easy as we can. We're gonna open up our air fryer. Oh, delicious. We're gonna pour some of this on top. Get some of that juice in there. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is so delicious. Yummy. It's gonna be so good. And you can either pour this into a bowl or just, I'm gonna try it from here, okay? So,
all right, you're eating right out of
this is for me, so I'm gonna try this. Ooh, look at that. I don't even know where to go. There's so much stuff everywhere. Let's do this one. This one has everything I want. Cheese, beans, olives. It has some of the pico de gallo. It has some peppers. So it's gonna be so, so good. I like to roll mine up like a little taco. You guys, super delicious, and it was so quick and easy.
And right out of the air fryer.
The pico de gallo adds the perfect amount of spice to the nachos. It's so delicious, and you can do this however you want. Substitute any of the ingredients that I used, but honestly, you guys have to try this. This is really good. I'm gonna eat the whole thing tonight.
We'll get you extras ready once.
Yummy.